Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business, mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 13, chapter 2, unit 2, matrices. We will continue with the example 11. So, here there are two families A and B. There are 4 men, 6 women and 2 children in family. Family A and has 2 men, 2 women and 4 children in family B. In family A, 4 men, 6 women, 2 children. In family B, 2 men, 2 women, 4 children. In family B, the recommended requirement of calories in men 2400 women 1900, child 1800, and for proteins in men 55 gram, women 45 gram, and child 33 gram. Represent the above information by matrices using the matrix multiplication method. The members of the two families can be represented by 2 by 3 matrix. Here A and B, two families, men, women and children. So 4, 6, 2, 2, 2, 4. And the recommended daily requirement of calories and proteins of each member can be represented by the 3 by 2 matrix. And 3 by 2 matrix. F is equal to MWC. So men, women and children. So calories and proteins 2400, 1900 and 1800. Proteins 55, 45 and 33. The total requirement of calories and proteins of each of the families given by matrix multiplication FR is equal to 462, 224, 2400, 55, 1945, 180, 33. So 462 multiply with first row multiply with first column. First row multiply with second column. So we will get 556. Second row multiply with first column. We will get 15,800. Second row multiply with second column. So we will get the 332. Hence finally A requires 24,600 calories and 556 gram proteins, and family B requires 15,800 calories and 332 gram proteins. Now move to the example 12. 3 firms A, B and C supplies 40, 35 and 25 truckloads of stones and 8 truckloads of sand respectively to a contractor. If the cost of stone and sand are 1200 and 500 per truckload respectively, find the total amount paid by contractor to each of these firms by using matrix method. Stone and sand, and the forms are A, B and C. So 40, 35, 25. Sand is 10, 5 and 8. The cost per truckload of stone and sand can be represented by the column. Stone and sand rate. Stone rate is 1200 and for sand 500. Thus the total amount paid by the contractor to each of these firms is given by the matrix product. XY 14, 10, 35, 5, 25, 8 multiply with the price of stone and sand 1200, 500. So 40 first row first column, second row first column, third row first column. So 40 into 1200 plus 10 into 1200 is equal to 53,000. Same way, 10 into 500. 10 into 500. Same way, 35 into 1200 plus 5 into 500. 25 into 1200 plus 8 into 500. 48,000 plus 5,000, 53,000. 44,200. 42,000 plus 2,500. It means 44,500. 30,000 plus 4,000, 34,000. Hence the amount paid to firms A is equal to rupees 53,000, B is equal to rupees 44,500, C is equal to rupees 34,000. Now the next topic is determinants. The determinant of a square is a number which is associated with the square matrix. This number may be positive, negative or 0 greater than the determinant of square matrix A, commonly denoted by determinant A or mod A or delta. The matrices which are not square do not have determinants. Determinants are quite useful to solving system of linear equations. They are also helpful in expressing certain formulas. The determinant of 2 by 2 matrix A is equal to ABCD is equal to here AD minus BC. The determinant of 3 by 3 matrix A is equal to A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So mod A or determinant of A, take A1 and hide first row and first column. So you will get the matrix B2, B3, C2, C3. Write down B2, B3, C2, C3. Same way minus A2. So hide second column and first row. So you will get B1, B3, C1, C3. For A3, hide first row, third column. So B1, B2, C1, C2. So A1 into B2, C3 minus B3, C2 minus A2, B1, C3 minus B3, C1 plus A3, B1, C2 minus B2, C1. Now next is minors and cofactors of determinant. Minor of the element of determinant is the determinant of Mij by deleting ith row and jth column in which element is existing. Cofactor of matrix A is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j, Mij, where Mij is equal to minor of the element ith row and jth column. So minors, let us consider the determinant delta A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So M11. Now deleting the first row, first column. So first row, first column, you will get B2, B3, C2, C3. So B2, C3 minus B3, C2. For M12, first row, second column. First row, second column. So you will get B1, B3, C1, C3. So B1, C3 minus B3, C1. For M13, first row, third column. First row, third column. B1, B2, C1, C2. B1, C2 minus B2, C1. Same for M21, M22, M23. M23. So second row, third column. A1, A2, C1, C2. For M31, M32, and for M33. Third row, third column. Third row, third column. So A1, A2, B1. Third row, third column. Here mistake. So A1, A2, B1, B2. Now this is correct. Next, cofactors. For cofactor C11, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, because here 1 1, so 1 plus 1, M11. So it becomes minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, 2, so plus, so positive M11, C12 minus M21, C13 M13, C21 minus M21, C22 M22, C23 minus M23, C31 3 plus 1 4, so even number, so M31 positive, C32 3 plus 2 5, minus 1 raised to 5 minus, so minus M32, C33, so M33 minus 3 plus 3 6, so positive, so M33. So you can write as C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33 in the form as C11 1 plus 1 2, so M11 1 plus 2 3, so minus M12, here minus M12, C13 3 plus 1 4, so M13, C2 2 plus 1 3, so minus M21, 2 plus 2 4, so M22, 3 plus 2 5, so M23 minus C31 3 plus 1 4, so M31 positive, 3 plus 2 5, so minus M32, 3 plus 3 6, so M33. Here you can easily remember which elements become minus and which becomes positive. So here in the first row center one is minus, first column center one is minus, third row center one is minus, and third column center one is minus. The value of determinant can be defined in terms of cofactor matrix as delta is equal to A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 C13, or A11 C11 A21 C12 plus A31 C13. Next one, properties of determinants. The value of determinants remains unaltered interchange if its rows or columns interchange. The value of determinant change signs if any two rows or columns interchanges. The value of determinant 0 if any two rows, any columns, or any columns, then value of determinant is equal to 0. The value of determinant becomes k times where k is constant if any row or columns multiplied by k, the value of determinant also multiplied by k. The value of determinant is 0 if any two rows or columns are proportional, then the value of determinant is equal to 0. If each element of any row or column is a sum of two numbers, the determinant can be expressed as the sum of the determinants. The value of determinant remains same if two any or column multiply of row or column is added or subtracted. Added or subtracted. Next is singular and non-singular matrices. Any square matrix A is singular if mod A is equal to 0, determinant A is equal to 0. The matrix is non-singular if mod A or determinant A not equal to 0. Now, example 13. A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, minus 3, 6. Prove that A is a singular matrix. Here, find out the determinant of A. So minus 1, 2, minus 3, 6. Here minus 1 multiply with 6 minus 2 multiply with minus 3. So minus 6 minus minus plus 2 3s are 6 cancel 0. So for 0 A is singular matrix. Find the determinant value of the following matrices. A is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now the solution by definition here you can also write as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So for A11 means A11, here you can write A11 1, A12 2, A13 3, A21 4, A22 5, A23 6, A31 7, A32 8, A33 9. For the first A11, determinants is equal to A11, A11. So first row, first column, neglect. A22, A23, A32, A33 minus A12. So second column and first row. So A21, A23, A31, A33 plus A13, the mode, third column, first row. So A21, A22, A31, A32. Now put the value. A11 1, A22, A23, A32, A33. A22 is 5, A23 is 6, A32 is 8 and A33 is 9. Now minus A12 minus 2, A21, A23, A31. We put the value of this and same way. Now solve this. 1 5 9s are 45, 8 6s are 48. So 45 minus 48 minus 2, 4 9s are 36 minus 7 6s are 42, 4 8s are 32 minus 7 5s are 35. So 45 minus 48 minus 3, 36 minus 42 6 minus 6 minus minus plus, so 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 32 minus 35 minus 3 minus 9. So 12 plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Adjoint matrix. Now adjoint of A matrix is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Transpose means row becomes column and column becomes row. Here find the adjoint of the matrix. Here matrix is given 1 4 0 minus 1 2 2 and 0 0 2. The cofactors of elements of A is equal to, so A1 1 minus 1 cofactor means minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, or you can easily write as A11 minus A12, A13 minus A21, A22 minus A23, A31 minus A32 and A33. So A11 2 2 0 2. 2 2 0 2, first row first column neglected, so 2 2 0 2 is equal to 4. Same way for A12, first row, second column. First row, second column. So minus 1, 2, 0, 2. Minus 1, 2, 0, 2. So 2, A13, 0. A21 minus 8, A22 2, A23 0, A31 8 and A32 minus 2. A33 6. So now adjoint of A is equal to 4 minus 8 8, 2 2 minus 2 and 0 0 6. Put the all values of A11 to A33. Inverse of matrix. If A is a square matrix and mod A not equal to 0, then A inverse is equal to 1 upon mod A, adjoint of A. Solve the following system of equation by matrix inversion method. 2x plus 8y plus 5z is equal to 5. X plus y plus z is equal to minus 2. X plus 2y minus z is equal to minus 2. The given system of equation can be written in the form Ax is equal to B. So A is equal to 285111. Here 285111, and for 1 2 minus 1. Here 1 2 minus 1. X is equal to xyz and B is equal to 5 minus 2 and 2. This one is minus 2. Now determinant of A is equal to 28511 12 minus 1 2. 1 minus 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 2 into 1, minus 2. 4 8 minus 8. So hide first row, second column. 1 1 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1, minus 1 into 1 minus 1, plus 5. First row, third column. 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So minus 6 plus 16 plus 5. 21 minus 6 15 not equal to 0. Hence the system has a unique solution as A is non-singular matrix. The solution is given by X is equal to A inverse B. To find A inverse B, find the cofactors. So now let us find the cofactor. A11 is equal to minus 3. A12 is equal to plus 2. A11 is equal to minus 3. A12 is equal to plus 2. A13 is equal to 1. Like for A11, here 2 is placed. 1 plus 1, 2 raised to 1 plus 1, minus 1 raised to, sorry, here minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into 2, 1 minus 1. For 2, 1 minus 1 1, 2 minus 1. So 2 1 ja 1 minus 1 minus 1, minus 2 1 ja 2, so minus 3. Same way for A12, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. A12, first row, second column. So 1 minus 1, 1 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 1. So minus 1 minus 2, so plus 2. Same way for A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A22 and A32, this is A32 and A33. You can find out. Cofactor of A is equal to minus 3, 2, 1, 18 minus 7, 4, 3, 3 minus 6. Adjoint of A, cofactor, transpose of cofactor A. So row becomes column and column becomes row. Minus 3, 18, 3 column, so it becomes row. Becomes row and row becomes column. 2 minus 7, 3 column is, it becomes row. 1 4 minus 6 column, so it becomes row. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. Minus 3, 18, 3, 2 minus 7, 3, 1 4 minus 6 is equal to, here determinant of A is 15, so 1 upon 15, and this one is adjoint of A matrix. Therefore X is equal to 1 upon 15 minus 3, 18, 3, 2 minus 7, 3, 1 into 4 into minus 6. So one upon 15 multiplication of this and this matrix. Row multiply with column. So first row multiply with first column, or here column is only 1. Minus 3 into 5 minus 15, 18 2s are 36 minus 36. So minus 36. 2 5s are 10, minus 7 minus 2, 14, plus 14, plus 3 2s are 6. Third row column, 1 into 5, 5, plus 4 2s are 8, minus 8, 4 minus 2, so minus 6 into 2 minus 12. Here 1 by 15 minus 15 minus 36 minus 30 minus 15 minus 45. 10 plus 6, 16 plus 40, 32, 30. 5 minus 8 minus 3 minus 15. So minus 45 by 15, 30 by 15, minus 15 by 15. 15 3s are 15, 2s are 15, 15, 1. So minus 3, 2 and minus 1. And so x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1. This lecture is over here. So see you soon. Bye bye.